Well, greetings everyone. I just wanted to give you an update on what I'm doing here right before we leave to go up north. Today is Mother's Day, Sunday, the 12th. And on the morning of the 14th, we're going to be heading north to go to the meet and greet on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We got the train ride in Jim Thorpe on Friday. We got the train ride in Reading on Saturday, which is a long one. And on Sunday, I guess we're going to a museum in Hamburg. So on those 3 days, we'll be staying at the Best Western in Reading. And we'll be staying in, we'll be getting to my daughter's house in Maryland on Wednesday afternoon. We're going to leave there Friday morning. It's about a little bit over a 3.5 hour drive to Jim Thorpe, so we'll get up there a little bit early to get to the train ride. But after that, we're going to Northlands on the 20th. The 21st, we're going to New Britain, Connecticut to see my sister and her family. And after that, the 22nd, we're going up to Bar Mills, Maine. And hopefully, I'm going to have to get a hold of Art and see if he's going to be there to say hello up at Bar Mills. And then we'll be traveling back down to Maryland, probably stop in Strasbourg, maybe stop in Lebanon. Who knows where we're going to stop, but that's what our plans are. We're going to stay until mid-June and hit some other places while we're up there. I got my granddaughter's graduation on the 6th. And the party is on the 8th, so we're gonna have a good time up there. But we got a few things. Let me show you right there. I haven't done very much over here. I did a little bit more scenicking, and I pulled out a few things out of the totes. And you can see I got the bridge up there because the bridge is going to go right over in that area, coming out this way. So we'll be working on that when we get back. And I'll have to do a little bit more scenicking up there. I was trying out a couple of buildings over here, and I got a couple of buildings out. You can see I got a water tank over there, and the very first Campbell scale model building that I ever did. This little garage right here. Where's it at? Right here. Let me change cameras so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, this garage right here. This is a set of 3 buildings. This is the one building that I built, and there's a speeder building, and then there's something else in there too. I'm not quite sure what it is, but this is the very first one that I ever built from Campbell Scale Model Works. And let me get you down on the workbench and show you what's down there. Okay, this is Lenny's garage. I assembled them and painted them. I got the skirting on the bottom in red, and I got the white for the top on both the brick and the main building. And that's as far as I got. I'll have to do some more painting when we get back. Stopped in at Jim Tedesco's, and he gave me a couple of tractors in N scale that I have to paint, and he gave me a couple of horses and a couple of cows, 3 cows. And one of the wheels came off of the tractor. So I got to paint these and paint those. And when we get back, so, and I got this. This is my smokestack. I'm gonna have to paint this black. Okay, I figured out what these little things were right here. Okay, you know, when I first opened it up, I couldn't figure it out, and it dawned on me, you know, we got this little skewer right here, and this is the cross members for the telephone pole. And I did it on another kit, and this is what it looks like. You know, because you got the little transformer up there too, and then you got the cross members up there, so you got enough there to do a couple of telephone poles. So I was racking my brain out to figure out what that was. Oh, there it is. And while I was digging out the buildings, I pulled this out. This is what I was doing right before we tore down Leakin Creek. Now this is 4 sections. I'm going to have to cut out one of the sections right here, but this is going up right next to Shipyard Brewing, so that's going to be perfect. But this has got the dock level doors on it, and so that'll work out better than what I had over here. Here's another office building that I pulled out for fuel systems. And this is the base for the boiler house. So I'm not going to be using these over here. And here's the boiler house. This is a laser art, I think, boiler. And what I did was I added detail on the inside, so to make it look like a fire tube boiler. You know, I just did it like that. And we'll just use this as the condensate return and put that wood right here for the smokestack going all the way up instead of that 1x2. So that fits right there perfectly. And the DPM thing is going to sit right here, 3 sections of it. We've been busy outside early in the morning and late in the afternoon, getting all the weeds out of planting beds. It was overrun, and we just finished putting the last of the 31 bags of red mulch down this morning and cleaned everything, hosed the driveway off, hosed the sidewalk off, and we went out and got a couple of more bird feeders with the sweet blocks for the sweet blocks and put them out. I'm done with the bird seed. And I moved some of the, I have some small pavers put over on the side. I'm going to put that by the garage door, this garage door right here. We got you know, some heavy stuff, homemade stuff going out, but I'm gonna have some small ones go out a little bit further, and I got some bricks. When we get back, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So looking forward to the vacation, much needed. We're gonna rest tonight, we're gonna rest tomorrow. I got one more doctor appointment tomorrow for my back. I got the image from my MRI, so I'll take it to him to show him what that is, and we'll see what's going on with my back. It's getting a lot worse. I lift up 2 bags of mulch to break them open in the wheelbarrow, and I got to sit down for 5 minutes because my back's hurting so bad. Dump them, spread it out, and sit down for a little bit longer. While we was weeding, I bought this cart, this little scooter on wheels for Debbie a couple of years ago, and she doesn't use it, so I've been using that to dig up all the weeds and stuff like that. So not not very happy with the way my back is going. I could walk for maybe 5 or 10 minutes with the muscle relaxer. It's bearable, but it's still very painful. It's not as painful as what it was before I got the muscle relaxer, but hopefully I'll be able to walk at the meet and greet after the train ride, in between the train ride, because there's a layover in one of the towns, and there's a shuttle ride up to the coal breaker, so I guess we'll be walking over there too, so I might have to use a cane. Debbie has her walker, so I'm gonna have to use her cane in the meantime. And let me see what else. I guess that's about it. So I hope to see everybody that's up at the meet and greet. I know a few people that are going to be there, and a few people I'm not sure. Sparky says there's about 50 or more, so we'll see. I watched some of his video the other night before I fell asleep, so we'll see what's going on up there. So I'm excited to see my family again. See my sister. I haven't seen her in about 4 or 5 years. She's been in a nursing home for the last 2 years, along with my brother-in-law. So we're going up there in hot and humid, and get some train activity, and go see some museums while we're up there, because there's a lot more up that area than there is down here in Florida to go see. So maybe we'll get a lot of videos. I'll try to do some live stream along the way if the signal is good wherever we're at, and I'll be doing a lot of videos wherever we are with family, and with the meet and greet, and at the museum. So until the next time, we'll see you, and thank you all for supporting this channel. I really appreciate it. Couldn't do it without your help. For the supporters and for the people that monetarily support this channel. So thank you very much, and until the next time, we'll see you, and have fun with whatever you're doing. Bye-bye.